What's going on, guys? My name is Max. Welcome back to the channel where today obviously my package arrived early thanks to Amazon Prime, where they can send you your packages early. I'm so excited to be unboxing this today. Obviously by the look of the thumbnail and of course the title, you guys know already what it is. So let's go ahead and get into today's unboxing of what I ordered. So lonely. Okay, so here we have the package. It says thank you for choosing Havit. Obviously in here is a Havit keyboard and mouse, 2-in-1. The price I paid for this was $30 in total. Honestly, I don't have the disc or the monitor, or in this case the monitor or the tower of the computer yet, but I will be having that soon. You guys can see the everything that it comes with in here, basically in different languages. Japanese, English, Spanish, like that, the user's guide. Okay, so here, oh, sorry about that. Here, obviously, we have the cable that is, I'm guessing it's connected to the mouse, if I'm not mistaken. I'll go ahead and open it right here. I might have to rip this, or maybe not. Hold on, let's see here. Oh yeah, never mind. Okay, here we go. I can pull this out. So first I'm going to put this in here. Okay, so here we have the mouse. Looks really nice. Of course, let me show you guys a shot after I'm done opening to show you guys how it looks like turned on. This is the mouse. Kind of nice. It's nice and durable. You can hear that. Kind of good. All right, put this to the side over here. Now let's get to the main part of this is obviously the keyboard itself. So obviously you have the connector for the keyboard. Real place is over here. The mouse, these will be connected to the monitor, if not to the brain of the tower of the computer. So you have your mouse, you have your keyboard here. Zoom in a little bit, you guys can see. See, this does light up, so like I said, I'll be showing you guys how it looks like when it lights up. Good thing I have an extension cord right here, so I can just connect it. In 1 second here. So here is the keyboard, nice and lit for you. Obviously, it could change color. I'm not really sure how to change the color on the keyboard here. You guys can see the color that it has. You have your green, you have your orange, you have your pink, you have your purple, and then blue obviously at the end right there. Very nice indeed of the colors that it has. So you guys can see it there. Purple, the blue, purple, pink, orange, and green. You'll be typing. Not really sure how they do it for the color change. I will figure that out, and this is here on the instruction manual. It should say here. Okay, if it doesn't have one, how to light. Doesn't really say how to change the color, but you turn it off, turn it back on. Be typing on this mouse pad, obviously. Now, we're gonna have to disconnect that so I can connect the mouse pad. Mouse, you guys can see how that looks like when it's connected. I think the mouse isn't turned on. I think it's connected to the monitor itself, not the monitor, the tower itself. But the mouse does light up like the other ones, like the other like the keyboard. Let's see here, the button, forward button, back button, the useful. Left button. I'm just gonna turn it on. We'll figure it out in the time be adjusted. Left button. Oh, the blue won't turn on. I'll have to figure that out some other time. But yeah, this is the keyboard. This is the mouse that comes with. This is a 2-in-1, $30 on Amazon. Plus taxes like 31 something. Free shipping, obviously. If you have Amazon Prime, if not, you have to pay for the shipping. But yeah, this is the keyboard. I have the mouse now. Now I just need the desk, the monitor, and of course the tower. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy it, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.